we're going to Bangkok! So yun, papunta tayo Kalaangge para sunduin natin sila. Siyempre, andyan ang ating mga kabagang! So, nandito na tayo sa airport. Waiting tayo mag-boarding. Hi naman kayo dyan! Passenger Maria Garcia from Vigo. Ulitin mo na ako. Kuwari walang camera. Ano?
Inip naman eh.
Tutuloy ka ba? Uuwi ka na? So, mga sis, pagbalik ko, mapapansin nyo yung puwet ko medyo uusbong ng konti, ha? Tapos si Angge medyo tatangos ang ilong. Dalawa na ilong mo. Si Joe, wala nang nunalpago. So, yung mga kasama ko, muntik na silang malate, na special mention na sila sa final boarding. Yan, mga sikat sa flight na to. Grabe yung experience eh, Evo. Na-question sa immigration. Muntik ma-offload. Charot. Tapos, sa special mention sa final boarding. At least memorable. See you guys. Bye. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. You guys are here. Welcome to Thailand. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. So kukunin namin yung pocket Wi-Fi by Klook. Time check, it's 11 p.m. So, wala talaga kaming magagawa ngayong first day. But, ang balik namin is February 6 pa. Then, Saturday, Coldplay! See you guys! So, dito kami nag-rent sa Smile Wi-Fi. Best price. Sabi sa Klook. The old king is dead, long live the king. So, medyo nakasettle na tayo dito sa hotel. Then, maya-maya lalabas tayo para mag-late dinner. Let's go! So, dito muna tayo sa hotel kakain.
7-Eleven yun. Tsaka yung init yun. Tsaka may
kasi wala tayong makainan sa labas. Okay, let's eat! Shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my... Good night! See ya, bye! Hi!
Actually, nandito kami ngayon sa Tutuban Mall.
Tutuban Mall. Sobrang init dito sa Thailand. Mas mainit pa kaysa sa atin dyan sa Pilipinas. Grabe, walang hangin.
Pwede rin bus. Kasi ang taxi. Pero pwede rin tayo mag-taxi.
So, papunta tayo sa money changer para magpapalit. Then, siguro magmo-mall muna tayo kasi sobrang init talaga. So, mamaya na tayo magpupunta dun sa market.
binigyan tayo ng map dun sa tourism office. So, we're going to Platinum Mall para magpalamig and mag-lunch.
So magkakaroon siya ng gas?
A silver blade, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Mirror, mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name ever alone this world, but that was when I ruled the world.
So, ngayon lang ako makakatigim ng pad thai sa buong buhay ko.
Pero feeling ko mas masarap yung pad thai
Sa labas.
Balita.
Kasi wala akong idea sa lasa ng pad thai. Parang maasim-asim na siya.
Ganyan talaga. Nilagyan mo ng...
Masarap.
Hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Mirror, mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my...
The view here is so nice. It's giving, you guys. Char. Oh, ganda ng picture namin.
Can I go down?
Do you miss Gia?
Yes.
Pero andito naman yung malaking Gia, oh. Pati yung,
Na-anxiety po ako.
pati yung hair niya, oh. Very Gia.
Toppings.
Ayun, nandito na tayo sa The Veranda. Sobrang daming kainan.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
So, nandito tayo sa overpass. Pabalik tayo ng Platinum Mall kasi dun malapit yung night market. So, babalik tayo ng Platinum Mall. Kaya pa. Kaya pa ng ating mga paa. So, update lang guys. Nandito na tayo sa hotel. Then, bumili lang tayo ng food sa 7-Eleven. Ihaw-ihaw dyan sa labas. Tapos, dito tayo ulit kakain.
Yes, on the run.
See you again tomorrow! Bye! So, today is our day 3 sa Bangkok. And, actually, kanina galing na kami sa morning market. Kaya lang hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi nagmamadali kami ng dami rin tao. Pero babalik tayo doon. So, today, pupunta tayo sa... Saan yun? Mag-claim tayo ng ticket ng Coldplay. Then, pupunta tayo ng weekend market sa Chatuk Chak. See you guys!
Vicky Bella, don't let me down.
Nakailang deodorant ka? Ilang set?
Isa lang to.
Isang session ka lang. Okay, so mag-aabang tayo ng taxi. Pupunta pala tayo sa stadium kung saan gagawin yung concert kasi doon i-claim yung ticket. So, ayun. Then, doon na rin tayo maghahanap ng lunch. Late lunch, no breakfast.
Tipid tips yun. No breakfast.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth.
Sobrang traffic. Ngayon pa lang tayo kakain ng maayos na lunch. Ayun, cute. Sino yan? Hi! Sino ba yan? Wait lang, ingay.
Life goes on, it gets so heavy. The wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. A dream of
Itong dalawang to parang ano eh, kakainis na. Dito ka na lahat na lang pinagtalo. So,
Ano tayo dito? Pearl tayo dito, bro.
you're not answering, I'm calling you. Ay, dali.
Look how they shine for you, and everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do, and it was called Yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something.
Chop.
Cheers! Buhay na buhay ang ano natin dito. Uti!
At asim. Walang nakakaligtas sa mga abo-abono dito kahit 5 piso. Ay, 5 piso. Kahit 5 baht, magbabayaran agad. So, andito na tayo ulit sa hotel. Tomorrow is the big day! Abangan niyo yung outfit ko bukas. Masisilaw kayo sa akin. Dahil lumabas pa po kami para bumili ng pagkain. Punta tayo ng 7-Eleven. So, 7-Eleven na lang talaga yung bukas ng gantong oras. Pad Thai? Ayaw nga. So guys, it's already 2 a.m. Tama ba? 2 a.m. na. So guys, we ordered this soup and I don't even know what it is. Pero sige, try natin. So guys, nasa 7-Eleven sila para bumili ng food. So let's try the soup. Pork nga siya, pork soup. Uy, masarap. Sarap niya. Tinikman ko na yung soup. Sarap? Yup. Di pa? Hindi, take 15. O, bibigay ko sa'yo 50. So guys, we're now eating. So, ang kinakain namin is omelette. Omelette. It's shrimp omelette, you guys.
5 piso na lang.
So guys, pauwi na kami. Pabalik na ng hotel. Tapos na kaming kumain. And totoo na talaga to. I-end na natin ang vlog for day 3. Baby! Bye! Good night, everyone! See you tomorrow!
Night.
Good night! Ha? Pag hindi nabayaran ngayon, void na bukas.
Morning market. Tuna market. Yeah, morning market.
So, papunta tayo ng weekend market para bumili ng paninda.
And you know I love you so. You know I love you so. You know I love you so.
So, andito na tayo sa hotel. Binilan na lang din kami nila ng lunch. Pa kami kumakain. Then, pahinga, mag-i-invoice ng mga pasabay. So guys, we're all set for the concert. Yay! Start.
You know I love you so. You know I love you so. I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Music of the years.
We are legends every day. That's what she told me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find you to tell you I need you. Tell you I said.
from India, maybe from Vietnam. Welcome to all of you, from wherever you came from the Philippines, from anywhere, Indonesia, Singapore. It's still hard. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths. Achilles had his gold, Achilles had his gifts. You're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the path.
Grabe guys, hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Dumiretso na kami dito. So, meron pa tayong iikutin doon na area. Sobrang init.
You're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do.
Actually guys, we have the whole afternoon para maggala-gala. It's 1 p.m. Sobrang gutom na. Mag-McDo na lang tayo sa baba. Meron. Cozy airport ride. Yes! So, ito ang storya mga sis. Diba kanina pa kami gumagala? Chill na chill pa kami. Parang, ang sarap pala sa feeling ng hindi nagmamadali. Ganyan-ganyan. Nag-coffee kami, no? Tapos naalala, kailangan namin mag-add ng baggage. Tapos nung nag-add na kami ng baggage, lumabas dun yung, na-reschedule yung flight namin ng 5 minutes lang naman, 5 minutes. So, nung nakita na namin yung flight pauwi, 9:15 pala. Akala namin lahat 11. So, before kami umalis kanina pagka-check out, nagpa-book kami ng airport transfer ng 7:30 pa ang alis kasi ang alam namin ay 11 ang flight. So, ito kami ngayon. Sobrang nagmadali. Nag-ayos pa kami ng mga baggage kasi may mga bago pa kami binili kanina. So, anyway, finally, hindi naman ata kami malilate.
9:15.
So, wag naman sana tayo malate. See you in my next vlog!